The interface of NC-Simul allows for complete customization of the work environment. First off, you can place any commands that are used often out onto the custom quick access toolbar. From the drop-down, select More Commands and choose from any icon in NC-Simul to pin to the top of the toolbar. Next, you are able to set the control scheme to your liking or in the same way as a CAD/CAM system that you've already become accustomed to. From the Preferences menu, locate the Controls tab. From here, you can select between predefined profiles or map any key to what you would like. Now that you have everything moving in a familiar fashion, you can start to customize the visual layout. Each of the information windows can be manipulated in various ways. They can be resized by dragging the edges to display more or less information. They can also be relocated, put onto different monitors, or snapped to different parts of the screen. Choose to remove them entirely or to add additional windows from the display ribbon. When viewing the programs on a multi-channel machine, you can have them stacked or view them side by side to watch how the channels sync and update dynamically. Additionally, you can view the program in table or machine view, or even both simultaneously side by side. Even further, if you want to focus entirely on the motion, you can push the simulation to full screen. From here, you can change the machine components or job element visualizations from something as basic as wireframe all the way up to full photo rendering, shadowing, and lighting options. With NC-Simul, you will be provided with the most customizable interface to view the full simulation in a strong graphical environment while you zoom, pan, and rotate the elements in any control scheme that you can imagine.